Guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you that are brand new, welcome. This is a little bit of a different setup I got going on here because I'm moving all my stuff into my new house. I don't have my professional microphone with me here today, so I apologize. Hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. But in this video, we're going to be talking about legit ways to make money online here in 2018. I'm going to give you guys my top recommended way you should be leveraging to make money online quickly and fast and obviously legitimately. And I know you guys have probably been bombarded with so many different YouTube videos out there teaching you different hacks and shortcuts to building a business online. And a lot of them are great, but I want to give you something that will help you build a long-term sustainable business. And this is going to piggyback off of my video from yesterday. And I will put a link in the description to where you can kind of get the pre-frame, get the kind of preliminary information that will make what I'm about to release in this video, very relevant and make sense to you. Okay. So what most people are teaching out there is they're teaching you to promote one product using one short get-rich-quick method. And a lot of times these methods can work short-term. They're not going to make you rich by any means, but they can make you some money for the short term, but then you just find yourself trying to find the next way to make money, right? The next shortcut. And it can be tiring and it can be just a game of hustle constantly, and you don't have time to take a breath to really strategize and build a business the right way. It's just like you're hustling 24/7, you're burning yourself out. So what I want to do in this video is give you a formula that will help you make money fairly quickly and also help you build a long-term sustainable business. Does that sound good? Can I have permission to give you access to something that will require some work in the beginning, but I promise you if you commit to it long-term and sort of blank out everything else and laser focus in on this one thing, I know it can change your life. And it's changed mine. You can see from the results here, this is just one of my affiliate accounts. I started implementing this specific formula. We're going to go deeper in today, April 10th. And I'm averaging right around $200 all the way up to probably $250, $300 per day here. And you can see that today is April 18th, 2018. The day's not over. Still done $44 here. As you can see, you're going to have great days. You're going to have some lower days. And that's just the nature of, any business. So how was I able to create this? Now, it wasn't by promoting one product and one short-term strategy. I have a big vision and I think methodically about every single step that I'm going to take in my business. And I don't spend a lot of time working. I spend most of my time strategizing. You see, this game of marketing is a game of chess, not checkers. So it's about thinking strategically on what your next move is, using your own creative abilities and being more independent in your business versus looking all over on YouTube for that next method. You see what I'm saying here? So if you want to make $10,000 a month, or more, right? Maybe you just want to make 5,000, a couple thousand, you're going to need to be on a different wavelength of thinking than where you're at right now. And I knew to get from 10,000 to 50,000, I had to change my thinking. I had to become more creative. So I want to challenge you in this video to be more creative. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the actual method here. And again, I'll link that video in the description that will help make sense of what I'm about to talk about here today. Okay. And you guys can see that I've got a mind map here set up. And I know a lot of you guys are probably going to ask, what software is this? This is called iThoughts, and it's now available for PC. But you can see I have a Mac here. You can just get it from the App Store. I think it's 20 or 30 bucks or so. But you can see this is the vision of my whole entire business, right? It's not just me promoting one product. Okay, that's the way most people are thinking. What you want to do, and I mentioned this in the last video, is you want to document your journey of life. And then what you want to do is put the different categories of life on a little mind map here, which is what I basically did. And then under those specific categories is where your different niches, your different markets go, okay, that you're going to be going into. So let me break this down. right? So I decided to go with my own brand, my own name as my brand, okay, which is Joshua Elder. And what I love about this is it doesn't limit you to just one market or one niche. You're using your own name as evergreen, right? But if you got like a really long name, you might want to truncate it or shorten it, so it's easier for you to brand your own name. Or you can use a different name, right? And this is just a name that comes to mind. This is kind of random, but I was watching a recent movie about how McDonald's grew into what it is today. And the cool thing about McDonald's is it's sort of an evergreen brand. I mean, you can use that brand for a lot of different things. You can use that brand on a soda can. You can use it for a restaurant. You can probably use it for farming equipment. That's what obviously comes to mind for me. But there's many things that you can use that name for, right? So we want to have a brand name where we don't limit ourselves. And as we grow and as we change, we don't need to change our whole entire brand, okay? So with that said, what we want to do is figure out what our brand is going to be. And to make it easier for you, just make it your own name, right? And then what you want to do is you want to figure out the vision of your brand. Figure out the vision, the purpose sort of your life. And this is sort of a big deal. And you might want to spend, a couple weeks really thinking about this, but don't overthink it, right? And so my vision is really helping people live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Freedom representing being able to be financially independent, being independent from a health standpoint, spirituality, right? And so this statement is sort of ambiguous enough to where it doesn't limit me in the markets that I can go into, right? Freedom, passion, and fulfillment is a culmination of being fulfilled and being passionate and having freedom in the 4 pillars of life. And the 4 pillars of life is, for me at least, spirituality, relationships, wealth, and health. And that equals happiness. So what I really want to help people do is be more happy, right? If I'm putting it in really just even a smaller sentence, helping people become happier, right? And by doing that, I have to help them not just make more money, because we know a lot of people that make a lot of money that are miserable, right? And it's because their relationships are bad, right? They ignore their family and their family's needs. They ignore their own relationship with their higher power, right? So you're going to have to do some deep thinking here. And I know a lot of you guys are just like, show me how I can make money on the internet, right? That's just such shallow thinking. You guys have to think bigger if you really want to make, $1,000 per month, just $1,000. You have to be able to think like somebody that's making 10,000 at first to make that first 1,000. So if I can stretch your guys' thinking and allow you guys to think bigger, everything else, the traffic methods, the landing pages, the funnels, the emails is going to make so much more sense to you. And also, by the way, if you're wondering about what products that you can be choosing from, that you could be picking to promote, I'll put another link in the description or on the card here that will show you how to, pick a product with ClickBank. Obviously, I don't want to reinvent the wheel and make this video 2 hours, because there's videos below that will complement this video incredibly well and teach you how to pick a product and how, to choose a strategy and how to deploy that specific strategy and start getting visitors to your website and so on and so forth. But really what we want to do here is lay the foundation, right? This is probably the first video that I should have made in my channel, but you're going to want to watch this video and you're going to want to go back to the videos I have in the description, or even the videos, previously that I've made in this channel, right? So under my vision, we have the 4 pillars: spirituality, relationships, wealth, and health. And within each of those, now we have different markets that we want to go into. So what's so cool about this is under these different markets, we have different products that we can promote. We don't just have one product, right? So most people are just documenting one portion of their life on YouTube. And a lot of times what that does is it creates a lot of problems, because there's a lot of competition if you're just focusing on one specific niche. right? Unless you really, really know what you're doing. And again, I talked about this in the previous video about how to prime your channel and how to sort of situate it and prepare it in a way to where when you go for really competitive markets, videos will be easier to rank in the top of the search engine so you can get views. And when you get views to your videos, you'll get more views to your products, right? And so we're thinking about the end in mind instead of just like, how can I make money fast, make money quickly, right? And the title of this video mentions that you can make money fast, right? But what does fast mean to you? A lot of times people they want to make money in 24 hours or 48 hours. Is that possible? Yes, with the right level of thinking, with the right preparation. And I'm giving you guys the preparation and I'm priming you to be able to make money quickly if that's what you choose to do. But you have to lay this foundation first. You have to understand this stuff first. Okay? So under these different markets, then we have our specific products. And a lot of you guys are familiar with the product in my affiliate marketing category within my channel. It's called the 4% Challenge, right? And it's my top recommended system right now. And you guys can, click the link below in the description if you want to learn more about it, because it's going to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business in complete detail from A to Z, from complete scratch. Okay. So I got that one product. That's just one product in my channel that's in one market or one category, I guess you could say, in my channel. So I have one playlist. If you notice, if you go to my playlist on my channel, I have an affiliate marketing playlist that has all my affiliate marketing videos. And then it has the products like the 4% Challenge that I would promote in those specific videos, right? And that's just one category of my channel. And then I have info products, which is like my tube traffic selling system, which is like my YouTube marketing product, right? And then I have videos and a playlist called YouTube Marketing for all my YouTube videos, right? On how to market on YouTube, right? Specifically. And then I have my tube traffic selling system product that I promote underneath those specific videos. So instead of having this one way of thinking, this one road of thinking that just goes one direction, we've got freeways and highways, and we've got multiple ways that we're making money on the front end of our channel through our different niches that we're passionate about, our different markets that we're passionate about. And then we're making money from YouTube's partnership program, which is like the front end. And then we're making money from our own products on the back end, and then from affiliate products. So we're not just promoting one product, guys. We're not just using one little strategy. We're looking at the big picture of our business. We're putting it on paper, and then we're figuring out specific strategies, long-term strategies for these different markets right here. Okay, the travel, affiliate marketing, investing, info products. And the markets that you guys go into might be different. You might be really into extreme sports. Maybe that's one market. Downhill mountain biking, maybe, for example. Maybe you're into skydiving within that specific market, and you can find a way to monetize that and do skydiving and GoPro videos, right? Just giving you guys some ideas here. Maybe it's hair and makeup. Maybe that's a representation of maybe beauty is part of your vision here, and it's one of the pillars. And then you have like hair and makeup, and then you have specific maybe makeup kits, as one of your actual products underneath hair and makeup here. So what I want to do is I just want to give you, male, female. I know there's a lot of guys mostly in my channel, so maybe that's not the best example. Maybe it's do it yourself, done for you, or I'm sorry, DIY kind of stuff. Do it yourself around the house. Maybe that's one of your pillars here, is helping more guys complete tasks around the house by themselves so they can save money and not have to outsource a lot of these things. And then you can have different specific tools that you're using in your do-it-yourself, videos around the house, and you could promote those as affiliate products from like Amazon's marketplace, right? Maybe it's you're really good with cars, so maybe that's one of your pillars here, right? I mean, there's so many things that you guys can do, and this is just what I enjoy doing. This is like what I feel my vision is, what my passion is these 4 pillars right here. And then we have markets like under relationships. It could be marriage under here, and then specific marriage advice, products maybe, so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to do here to you guys is just get you guys to think bigger, faster. And as you do that, you won't think about these shortcut ways of making money so much. You'll think about a true business and a true strategy that will give you longevity. So you're not looking for the next sugar rush on YouTube or the next get rich quick way to, make money with Quora or make money, even on YouTube or make money. Because I mean, there's strategies that work, and I've used them that work for very short term. And I used a strategy on YouTube that worked for like 3-4 years, but it wasn't a strategy where I could build up really a good audience and a good base, because I had like hundreds of channels out there. And part of me regrets that I did that, because instead of having those hundreds of channels, if I did it the right way from the get-go, I could have one channel that has hundreds of thousands of subscribers, right? But because I was thinking such short term, I had to hit the reset button roughly a year ago and start from scratch and build my channel up again. So it still helped me make a lot of money, but it's kind of like I have to start over again because I was looking for that shortcut strategy. So with that said, what I want you to do as homework is I want you to mind map your brand, the vision of your brand, the 4 pillars of your life, of your legacy that you really want to cover, right? And then specific markets that you want to go into within those specific pillars, right? And then the specific products that you would be promoting, right? And you can go to different places like ClickBank to get ideas for products, go to the marketplace, right, to sell other people's products, affiliate products. You can go to Commission Junction. You can go to PeerFly. You can go to OfferVault. And OfferVault pretty much just, it's a gateway to all these other networks that I just talked about, right, like ClickBank and PeerFly. And I mean, there's hundreds of different networks right here. So this houses all the different affiliate networks and their products in one place. So if you're like a do-it-yourself type of person that wants to promote do-it-yourself products and monetize your YouTube channel and just not just your YouTube channel, but your whole entire brand, look, check it out. There's some products right here. It looks like HGTV magazine subscription. If you were to promote that, this pays you per lead. Right, so what I want to do is I just want to get you guys, it looks like there's not a whole lot of opportunity here, but there's some. Here's what's really trending right now, as you can see here. But I don't want to go too much into detail with this. I just want to keep this short and to the point. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up, okay? Comment below, what's going to be your brand name? Is it going to be your own name or is it going to be something else, right? And let me know the pillars that you're going to be focusing on and the vision of your channel. I would love to hear your feedback. And like I said, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you want more videos like these, higher level of thinking type of videos, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure that I make more videos like this. And if you want to learn how to build all this stuff that we're talking about in this video from complete scratch, there's going to be a link in the description below. It's my top recommended system that will show you in detail how to build all this stuff, okay? How to start promoting products, how to get clear on your vision, all this stuff. We'll go into more detail on that, okay? So with that said, thank you so much. Once again, I'm excited to continue to level up my videos, give you guys more value. I'm enjoying all the subscriptions I'm getting in my channel as of late. It's blowing up, and I have you guys to thank for that. And I'm just excited and blessed to be moving into a new house thanks to this online world and YouTube and affiliate marketing. It's just changed my life. So thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.